You know that feeling when you think your phone is fast, till Apple drops a new iPhone, and suddenly your device feels like it's powered by a hamster on a wheel? Well, buckle up, because the iPhone 17 series isn't just an upgrade. Apple's swinging for the fences, and from the leaks and reports we've been seeing, this might be the most ambitious iPhone lineup in years. Whether you're team I upgrade every year or team I'm still rocking an iPhone 8 and it works, fine, this one's going to grab your attention. Industry insiders are almost certain Apple will announce the iPhone 17 lineup on September 9th, 2025. With pre-orders opening on September 12th and deliveries starting September 19th, this year's family consists of 4 models: the all-rounder iPhone 17, the ultra-thin and ultra-stylish iPhone 17 Air, the performance-focused iPhone 17 Pro, and the powerhouse iPhone 17 Pro Max. The Air is rumored to be just 5.5 millimeters thick, slimmer than some wallets after buying it, and it replaces the Plus model while still packing premium features. All models are getting 120Hz ProMotion displays, so even the base iPhone 17 will feel silky smooth when scrolling or gaming. The Pro Max will debut under-display Face ID, ditching the notch and leaving just a tiny pinhole camera. While design changes include sharper edges, vibrant new colors, and titanium frames on the Pro models for strength without extra weight. Under the hood, the iPhone 17 and Air will run on the new A19 chip with 8 GB of RAM, while the Pro and Pro Max will be powered by the A19 Pro chip with 12 GB of RAM, built on a cutting-edge 2nm process with a 12-core CPU, 10-core GPU, advanced ray tracing for console-level gaming, and a graphene-based cooling system to keep things running cool. Camera upgrades are massive. This year Pro models may feature a triple 48MP rear system, a 24MP front camera, 8K video recording at 60 fps, mechanical aperture control, and a redesigned camera housing. The Pro Max adds a 48MP f1.5 wide sensor, a periscope telephoto with 6x optical zoom, and a macro-capable ultra-wide lens. Powered by smart HDR7 and scene reconstruction for breathtaking shots. Battery life also gets a huge boost, with the Pro Max rumored to have a 5,000 mAh battery, delivering up to 35 hours of video playback, faster 45W USB-C charging, upgraded MagSafe 2.0 wireless speeds, and reverse wireless charging for topping up AirPods or your Apple Watch. In short, the iPhone 17 series, especially the Pro Max, feels like Apple saying, "We've heard you, and we're giving you everything." Extreme thinness, insane performance, pro-level cameras, marathon battery life, and a design that screams premium. So, are you going for the Air's ultra-thin elegance or the Pro Max's alt power? Let me know in the comments. Hit subscribe for more deep dives into Apple's latest, and stick around for the videos on screen where I cover Apple's September event predictions and break down the iPhone 17 versus iPhone 16 you won't want to miss.